as I promised, we are putting a pause in our semester to begin to prepare for the Indian New Year, Diwali, Deepavali, which those of you that have known me for years know that this is truly one of my favorite holidays, and it begins our New Year celebrations for Pacific Ashtanga Yoga Shala. And although in India it's a 3 to 5 day celebration, before you begin the celebration, you have to prepare. And the preparation part, like the Chinese New Year, to me is very symbolic and also very powerful. And in preparation for the Indian New Year, for the Festival of the Lights, for good overcoming evil, and for us to bring light and intention into our new year, we first have to clean out all the dust bunnies from last year and all the things that are stagnant in our life. As we kind of understand energy, we have an opportunity to go through our drawers and to closets and glove compartments and into the corners of our bathrooms and kitchens and cupboards, and really do some kind of cleaning that feels like we're giving ourselves that opportunity for a fresh new beginning. And before the actual celebration, probably the month before, I'm thinking of Diwali. I know when the date is and I'm getting excited. I'm already looking through my life and seeing like, oh, there's this dust in the corner of my couch. I opened my my silverware drawer the other day, and I saw like underneath the silverware wooden cabinet, there was, some stuff to clean up. And so it's a really fun time of the year to it changes your view, your lens of things you look at every day and don't see where there has been a collection of dirt or dust or just a lack of attention to. So join me for the next couple weeks as you look through your offices, your homes, your cars, anything that feels like an extension of you. I feel like this is our home, this is our house. And in India, they really put great symbolism and value in the home, and welcome the energies, the deities and the gods into their home to give them abundance, to ask Lakshmi to bless them with abundance for another year. So before we ask Lakshmi for her blessings, let's do a good job cleaning out and clearing out anything that wouldn't serve us going into the year that waits for us.